Bilfinger is your number one in enhancing efficiency and sustainability, especially in a world where the industry is on the move and processes run around the clock. To our customers, every detail matters. Every move, every decision. As your industrial services provider, we are with you, all along your value chain and plant's life cycle, from consulting and engineering, prefabrication and installation, to access and insulation and asset performance, for rapid go-live, for uninterrupted operations, for maximum uptime and performance, for innovative and digital solutions, for efficiency and cost savings, for safe processes and sustainable use of resources. Understanding the rhythm of the industry is the key to our success, building on our profound expertise, high safety standards, and the power of over 30,000 people worldwide. Because the best possible performance is in the people who make it happen, in our people. To us, your performance is our business.